as I said, this is the HTC Wildfire S full review. This is the main screen. It does say HTC there. You might not be able to see it yet. This phone requires look, there it is, HTC, and it says at the bottom, quietly brilliant. After the unboxing video, you might have to just look back at that for extra details on what this phone brings you. This is a HTC. We will look at the thinness and the thickness and the back of it in a short while. That's the back. It obviously says HTC on it, and you can buy numerous different cases. This is the actual phone. This light here says that it is charging, and it's a warning light to say that it's charging. So it comes on. I have actually just been on this for 30 seconds and it went out of charge, and I just downloaded a few apps and changed the home screen. So if we just pull down the screen, and it brings us on to the HTC the settings. We have different things. We have like we have friend stream. This will load up all the things from Facebook. Like if you want to write something, you tap on the icon what's on your mind, and then this comes up. It does actually have a full-blown full-color keypad. It's obviously different. We just look at this. I am getting a few messages from Facebook. I'm just going to ignore them at the moment. It tap to see the local weather. You just tap and have a look at that. I agree, local. So wireless networks. You've got the use GPS satellite and the phone finder on this site page here. Remember, we do have the 4 track buttons of them, which you can also see on the box. Not very clearly, but still, I'm afraid that this might not be a very good quality one. And also, if you press tap home, or you go, I don't know how to do that actually. Like that, you pinch the screen. You literally have to pinch the screen, and it comes into 4 to 6 actually, because this is actual screen. And then obviously, right, let me just do that one again. Brings up there, and so I just click on that, and it brings up an empty screen with my little logo thing running around it. And then hold onto the screen, it says add widget. So if I just look at the widgets and I press Facebook for Android, and it says professional statuses, and then that will bring up on the page. Hopefully, may take a while. Right. Now if we press home on the home page, if we press the menu, it will come up with all apps which you can click on, notifications, personalize, wallpaper, and settings. So I'm just going to tap on the settings. Call, got lots of different things, and also this language and keyboard. You've got select language, you can use it in different languages like French, Italian, Polish, all these different languages. What do I keep doing? If you pull down this top bar, the hidden bar, if it will, the touchscreen on this phone isn't very responsive, basically. And also we have sorry about this, it's just acting up. If you look on this, it has quick settings. If I click on quick settings down here, it'll bring up all the quick settings on this board. I just pressed home and it brings me back to the home page again. Then if we tap these like little dots in this corner, it brings up the app world. I've downloaded Jessie J Karaoke and Jessie J Memory. YouTube is already on. You've got the gallery which can look at your photos on. I'm going to show you a few photos actually. This is the camera. Pretty good camera, 5 megapixel, and I did this one my good hair days. And also you can zoom in right there. By pinching the screen and it zooms in. And so you don't zoom in too far, you just pinch out. You can just move. Hair, face, my hand, my top. And then to go out, you just basically do that, zoom in, and then zoom in, and then do that. So, if I just find some different photos. Oh, real bad. So stuff like this, like different photos and videos. The video is quite good. As I said, the touchscreen isn't that responsive. Right, let me stop that. It's easy to upload to Facebook, and you can easily go through all your photos just by moving the trackpad. As seen now, we've got all these different, all the different photos, and also with the full-blown QWERTY keypad, it does actually help you. Compose message, which is in the top bar, just on the top. I don't know if you can see it. Go over, tap, and then press home again. This isn't a very responsive phone, and also it's got the LED light flash, which I will demonstrate now. If you want to find anything, right, as I said, right, we're just going to go back to that. Got the photo with the person you can even tap on, and then say what's on your mind. And on this side we have Friend Street, to Lisa on there. You've got the messages, and you've got the weather. This is more of a searching phone than I'd say normal phone. Right, and then you click on the market button. The internet is awfully slow, but just the way it is. Right, it's on. I just bring it a bit closer. I think my camera will focus. There we are. You could just type in, and I'm going to type in Angry Birds. There. I didn't type it in, but. And then if it's free, you just simply tap. And then you press the free button and the OK button. And it says here, your item will now be downloaded. You've also got the voice recorder, camera. Right, I'm just going to model the camera for you. You press the middle button. That will now show you with the photo I have just taken. That's if it will let me. But look, you can obviously see it's a pretty good camera. I'll just pan my room. That is a really good camera, and you can operate the flash from there as well. They've got HTC hub and HTC lamps. So if now we click onto the HTC hub, right, the HTC hub, and it kind of comes up with the home page, and then you can choose all your wallpapers from that as well. Like a scene that you can. Once it'll start working for me. Avid reading. Right, I'll just. Right, that is avid reader. You can just basically just flick through them all. So thank you for this. This has been a very good film review. So this is the film we have been reviewing today. HTC Wildfire. I am Techo saying goodbye.